Top 10 Natural Skincare Tips for Glowing Skin Comprehensive Guide. Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Today, we're diving into the top 10 natural skincare tips for glowing skin. These tips are easy, fun, and effective. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's glow together. Make sure you watch to the end to get all the tips. Segment 1. Hydration is key. 1. The magic of water. Did you know your skin is like a plant? It needs water to stay hydrated and fresh. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Set a fun challenge for yourself. Try flavored water with lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Pro tip: carry a cute reusable water bottle with you to remind yourself to stay hydrated throughout the day. 2. Hydrating foods. Incorporate water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumber, oranges, and strawberries into your diet. Not only are they delicious, but they also help keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Segment 2. Eat your way to glowing skin. 1. Superfoods for super skin. Your skin reflects what you eat, so nourish it with superfoods. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats are your skin's best friends. Challenge: try a new superfood smoothie recipe this week. Blend spinach, avocado, berries, and a dash of honey for a nutrient-packed treat. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Include omega-3 rich foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts in your diet. These healthy fats help maintain your skin's elasticity and moisture. Segment 3. Beauty sleep. 1. The power of sleep. Beauty sleep is real. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. Fun fact: during sleep, your body boosts blood flow to the skin, which means you wake up with a healthy glow. 2. Create a sleep routine. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim the lights, play calming music, and use a lavender-scented pillow spray to enhance your sleep quality. Segment 4. Natural face masks. 1. DIY face mask fun. Pamper yourself with natural, DIY face masks. They're easy to make and super beneficial for your skin. Recipe time: mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water for soft, glowing skin. 2. Avocado mask. Avocado is not just for toast. Mash half an avocado and mix it with a teaspoon of olive oil for a hydrating face mask. Segment 5. Exfoliation station. 1. Gentle exfoliation. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and reveals fresh, glowing skin. Use natural exfoliants like oatmeal or sugar for a gentle scrub. DIY scrub: mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions and rinse off. 2. Frequency matters. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to avoid over-exfoliating, which can irritate your skin. Segment 6. Sunscreen savvy. 1. Protect your skin. Sunscreen is your skin's best friend. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can damage your skin. Tip: make applying sunscreen a fun part of your morning routine. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. 2. Natural sun protection. Look for sunscreens with natural ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide for effective protection without harsh chemicals. Segment 7. Stress less, glow more. 1. The stress-skin connection. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin. Find ways to relax and unwind. Interactive challenge: try a 5-minute meditation or deep breathing exercise daily. Apps like Headspace or Calm can guide you through it. 2. Fun activities. Engage in activities you love, whether it's dancing, painting, or spending time with loved ones. Happiness shines through your skin. Segment 8. Clean beauty products. 1. Go natural. Opt for skincare products with natural, non-toxic ingredients. Your skin absorbs what you put on it, so choose wisely. Product recommendation: check out brands that focus on clean beauty, like Burt's Bees or The Ordinary. 2. Read labels. Become a label detective. Look for products free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Segment 9. Facial massage. 1. Massage for circulation. Facial massage boosts blood circulation and gives your skin a natural glow. How to: Use your fingers or a jade roller to gently massage your face in upward, circular motions for a few minutes each day. 2 benefits of facial massage. Facial massage can reduce puffiness, improve skin tone, and relieve tension. Plus, it feels amazing. Segment 10. Consistency is key. 1. Stick to your routine. Consistency is crucial for glowing skin. Stick to a simple, natural skincare routine that works for you. Tip: keep a skincare journal to track what products and routines work best for your skin. 2. Patience pays off. Remember, natural skincare takes time. Be patient and give your skin the love and care it deserves. Conclusion. Let's recap the top 10 natural skincare tips for glowing skin. 1. Hydrate with water and water-rich foods. 2. Eat superfoods and omega-3 rich foods. 3. Prioritize your beauty sleep. 4. Pamper yourself with DIY face masks. 5. Exfoliate gently and regularly. 6. Protect your skin with sunscreen. 7. Manage stress for better skin. 8. Choose clean beauty products. 9. Enjoy the benefits of facial massage. 10. Stay consistent with your skincare routine. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Share your favorite natural skincare tips in the comments below. See you next time, and stay glowing.